Good evening, everybody. This is SPC World's World 2008 here with my second video of the day and an update from this evening from the latest model trend from the GFS, which is a global model. And here's the latest run from the model as of 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So I'm going to take it through just like I said. And now models have hinting at Monday also being a potential severe weather day. And the Monday ingredients look more favorable than Sundays. But please still be weather aware for that Sunday is still up in the air, but like I said in my last video, models can change, so do not get too caught up on it as of right now. Like I said before, I'll make graphics and maps on Thursday. If models keep hammering both Sunday and Monday, I'll make graphs for both days in my current opinions. So here's the latest trend from the models. We're going to go through this. It looks like actually it could be some heavy downpours by the end of this week across portions of from northeastern Texas all the way into southwestern Tennessee, across Arkansas and northern Louisiana. But that's not the main event we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. A pretty major strong storm event will push northeast out of Arkansas and into western Tennessee, into central Tennessee, and then move northeast throughout Kentucky and the east coast. But now, looking at the models, they are bringing in this nasty line of showers and thunderstorms Monday afternoon into Tuesday evening. And there are ingredients there. I will show you the instability, which is basically storm fuel. It helps storms get going, if anybody wanted to know that, as a fun little weather fact. I'm going to show you guys the cape. As you can see, there are some purple colors. Purple is indicating light purple is indicating not much, but it's in a high shear event. A little instability can just fire up storms. Now, I'm not going to list the timing, location, and details and threats because we are over a week out from this event, and I'm not going to incite fear and panic with anybody. But just locate yourself on this map and just be aware throughout the week as we get closer to the weekend and early next week, as there could be a slight chance of strong to severe storm Sunday and possibly a higher chance on Monday if these models keep showing this, which honestly they could change tomorrow morning. Like I said in my last video, you look at tomorrow morning and there could be nothing on these maps, so just be aware of that. Models will love to just fool you like that. I'm gonna take a sounding, which basically shows you how much instability, like in numbers. It ranges from 0 to like as high as 8,500 joules per kilogram. For looking, if you have a ton of shear and you have instability over 1,000 joules per kilogram, that's very bad ingredients for a tornado, and possibly even a tornado outbreak. If you have a lot of shear, it doesn't take a lot of instability to create a tornado, believe it or not. But you also need lift, which basically comes from cold fronts, another little water fact, and moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, like I stated in my last video, which would help it be really humid, which storms eat up that energy, by the way. It's different from instability, if you guys are wondering. So the low pressure system is actually in a really bad spot for severe weather, if you guys were wondering. A low pressure system is creating the shear, which if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, basically the L on this map, which is a low pressure center, is bringing in wind energy, which helps storms become severe and be organized. So also we need to look at the flooding. So I'll look at 24-hour cumulative precipitation. And you guys can see a potential for some minor flooding to moderate flooding is possible. As you guys see, a lot of rainfall could fall in a 6-hour period across as these storms roll through late this weekend and early next week. Like I said, this could be Sunday, Monday could be our first, this could be a 2-day potential minor to moderate severe weather event. If the models keep consisting this, I'll make some graphics on Thursday, like I said in my previous video. I'm not sure as of right now where the location, timing, threats, and details will be, so stay tuned for that on my YouTube channel as we go throughout this week. I will probably post another video tomorrow, probably around 2 to 3 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. Just subtract 2 hours if you're Pacific, subtract 1 if you're Mountain, or add 1 if you're Eastern, just to figure out what time I'm going to be uploading the video. Anyway. There is another site called Pivotal Weather, really awesome. If you are a weather nerd, check it out. It has all the tools you need to use models correctly and know what you're talking about. As we get closer, as we get closer, there are higher res models that don't go out as far, but are a lot more accurate, and they do hour by hour, so we can really nail down where and when it's going to happen. So stay tuned. Those models should start to come in range at around Thursday or Friday. So stay tuned. The day I release my maps, the day I will show you those closer high-res models. So stay tuned for that. That would be very exciting to see. Hopefully, nobody gets hurt if this event does end up does end up pull out, but just make sure you have those severe weather plans in place just in case your area does get infected. And please stay weather aware throughout this spring. Like I said, this could be a pretty active severe weather season. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little evening update, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time, and have a great night.